Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband, make sure that the battery level on your smartband is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So, first thing we need to do is to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the info menu appears on the screen. And once the info menu appears on the screen, you will need to release the button and press it a couple of times until you see the reset option on the screen. And once you see the reset option on the screen, you will need to press and hold the button to enter, and then you will need to press it 5 times to confirm and reset your device. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it until you see the info menu on the screen. Once you see the info, press the side button, find the factory reset option, then press and hold the side button, and now we need to press the button 5 times to confirm and reset the device. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the install app message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.